This tutorial will show you how to convert your recording that you did with your phone into an mp3 format. So I first recorded it with my phone and then pressed share, and I sent it to me by email. Here it is, so I downloaded it just here, and now I'm going to go on the internet and type convert M4A, for example, but if you have another format, please just type the other format that you have, M4A to MP3 converter. So you can just choose, the first one, or I quite like this one. I click I'm going to drag my file up there. It's ready. And then I'd like to have an MP3 because it's a bit more compressed, and we're not doing actual research, but otherwise you'd need to use WAV. That would be better. And then just convert. If you want good quality, then maybe, I can go up to best so that you get extra information encoded into the file. Because if you use an MP3, the waveforms are going to be simplified and the quality is not quite as good, depending. But let's just use best and convert it. High quality, converting to MP3 and download. Typhoon, SLA, and then I'm going to type MP3 just in case, well, anyway. Oh, not really. And now it's ready to be opened with Prat. So, because the new versions of Prat are now compatible with MP3. So, read from files. I'm going to try and find it. Where is it? Phone brochure. Projet, audio description. Yippee. Typhoon. And ready, go. And I've got it here. I can listen to it and I can actually edit it. That's it.